Okay, here we go. We've got this, did a little adjustment on it, and you see now it's dropping. Probably average about, if I can hold this thing still, probably average about 60 degrees now, whereas before it was like average of 74. Right there, it's holding steady at 62. And this one's 60, 56, 57. Over by the staircase now. And this one is, well, if I can get it right in there, here we go. About average 65, something like that. So it's dropped, and it should continue to drop. Tonight, we have it temporarily set up in here to be cool. The basement is turned off, and this one's running a little warmer. That's over there by the marble wall there. This one is over by the pantry. It's about probably 62, something like that. This one is right above, right, by the kitchen sink. It's kind of, if I don't hold it right in the center there, it's going to give me a false reading. But you can see this one is lower substantially, at least 10 degrees. This one here is, so it's dropping, and although this is just a temporary fix, there will be, I've got the manufacturer's representative and for the system, plus I've got everybody coming back tomorrow to run all the testing, check everything out, and we will determine exactly why the system ices up and exactly why it's not not operating correctly. Also, see, this right here is a submittal for your outside rings by the garage, and that's about the size of it to go over those lights out there to cover the bad concrete. Anyway, Tim, it's I don't even know what time it is. I think it's about 6:30 or something like that, maybe 6:45, and it should be cool. We'll be back in the morning full force. The wine cellar subcontractor was here, and you'll probably be back on Wednesday, finishing up on Friday. Anyway, please call me with any questions, and hope you have a great evening, and I'll talk to you later.